Hello traders, good evening all. Risk disclaimer: all information provided on this video is for educational purpose only and does not intend to provide any financial advice. Any statements regarding profits implied or expressed does not represent a guarantee, and this video is not about any copy trade service. So anyway, sorry for being what to say, not regular with my videos, because I travel a lot, and moreover I've been in village. I don't know how good internet will be, and moreover I don't know how many find this videos useful, because I see lately I didn't see any people, whether it is useful or not, I don't know. So then I felt like, let me go for a poll, and then if people feel like it is worth, then I can spend my time, because everyone's time is worth your time as well as my time. And secondly, masterclass also been started. Okay, so I'm focusing on that. From September second week, masterclass is going to get started, and pre-sessions are going on right now to get a glimpse of what masterclass and how it will be, what they can expect from masterclass. So that is going on for people who registered. So I'm busy with that as well. So next 3 months, it is going to be a full mentorship program for them, and I also taking live trades. I'm just showing how to manage risk, because lot of people, as I always say, saying is easy. I can just give a view. It doesn't make any. You don't need to use mind for that. But real trading is something different, because you need such a mindset when you manage the risk, when you make a trade, when you pull the trigger. So just they are enjoying it by watching it live. Whenever a trade happens, I'm just narrating it out. I'm passing on, I'm taking this trade, where is my risk, what is the move I am expecting, why I'm narrating everything for them, because we had structured the course in such a way that next 3 months it is going to be a lot learning for them. Okay, fine. So that's the thing going on my side. I want to keep these videos from here on very short and sweet, and I want to keep it only for Nifty and Bank Nifty on market profile front, as well as on OI front, nothing more than that. So Nifty, coming to Nifty, today I had a view of short. When this rejection happened, we shorted here, our risk was here, and our reward was here. So exactly happened, we made some nice profits here. Okay, it was more of like a open rejection, reverse bearish open, and once the previous day's POC got broke, okay, then that was a easy shot for the value area low and as well as the HVN of previous day. Okay, though the final target was here, but I didn't feel, because the Bank Nifty was showing good strength, so I felt like taking here profits is a wise idea than looking for the bigger targets. Okay, so that's what been done here for today's trade. For Bank Nifty, again, it scaled higher, it rejected, then took a support, responsive bias come in and pushed price to the new highs. Okay, and every time when it come to the IB low, someone had pushed the price higher. Okay, so it was more like a neutral day. Break the break the first hour range on lower side, come back in, break the first hour on higher side, come back in. so and closed inside the IB. So basically a neutral day. Could be a pass for the sub move, and then a continuation might start, or could be a temporary pass and there could be some sort of profit booking. We never know. Okay, let the price show what intention it have. So till that, you don't predict anything. Okay, basically most of the traders make loss when they predict. Who predicts? A mean reversion trader like me predicts. But later I found, why should I predict? Let me wait for market to show the move. Yesterday we were completely bullish. Until this low is not breached, we said maintain bullish stance. But a mean reversion trader like me, I can't go and take this long. Why? Because this long is happening around previous resistance zone, so I don't take it. That doesn't mean I want to go short as well. I know the context, this is bullish. Why unnecessarily I want to go and short it? Why I want to lose my money just like that when I know it is bullish? And I am a mean reversion trader who want to short the highs and buy the lows. Why I want to do unless price shows the sign? So today price showed the sign, I entered, I made money. As simple. But yesterday if you see, lot of people were keep on fighting this market, especially. They went short seeing this previous resistance zone. They went short. They keep shorting. Once the spike happened, everyone who went long, went short, booked loss. Who went long, booked profit. So know and understand the context. So that can make you a better trader. That is what we are teaching in masterclass. When to stay away, when not to trade. Because everyone will be busy teaching you how to trade, what to trade, this, that. But no one will teach you when to stop trading, when not to trade. That is the most important aspect in trading. So what we can expect in markets tomorrow? Basically, this is a zone where previously market during March I am talking about. Okay, market went so if you see, this is the zone where market gapped down and started falling. So the reaction will be definitely here for sure. Either here or either here. So that is what happened here. And when price showed it, I just went for it. Okay. If price spends more time here without drifting lower, then probably we will go and test this next 12k mark. I'm talking about a higher time perspective. In next 2, 3, 4 candles, if price doesn't get a momentum and scale down towards this can scale towards 11,800 or 12k going forward. But that need to have lot efforts. But if they wanted to do it, they will definitely do it. Okay. So where we are trading, that is very important. What is the context behind that? That is also very important. Okay, fine. Yeah. So tomorrow, if price gets a support around this zone, okay, 11,400 and 11,420, if price gets support around the zone, then I might be buying, looking for 11,440 and 11,470 in case of gap down. If it is a flat open, I would wait and watch what price does here or what price does here. If any sort of rejections come here, then again I will be looking a long here, or if price rejects here, I will be looking for a short. So this is the general gist of my trades, what I am expecting tomorrow. So if price opens flat, if it scales higher towards 11,520 and comes back inside 11,485 on pullback, I will be shorting looking for 11,470 and 11,450 or even 11,400. In case if price opens flat, if it comes down, if it takes support around here and breaks 11,442 445 zone, on the pullback I will be buying looking for 11,470 and 11,485 or even 11,500 for that case. But for any bullish move to happen, it need to cross this mark with force, else there could be many chance for profit booking because of that previous resistance zone. For Bank Nifty, the same thing. Being a neutral day, I will watch how price reacts around previous day high, this zone, as well as around this VPOC zone of 22,800. So if price opens flat, goes up and see a strong rejection and comes back inside 23,100, on pullback I will be shorting looking for 23,000 and 22,950. The stretch targets could be 22,800 in that case. If price opens flat and takes support around 22,950 or 900 zone, if it crosses back about 22,950, on pullback I will be buying looking for 23,100 zone. Okay, this is the plan for Bank Nifty. On OI front, for Nifty, strong writing happened around 11,500 call. Okay, the highest put had shifted to 11,000. That has been maintaining for last 2 weeks. So the fight is between 11,000 and 11,500. So I will be watching how this OI, whether it gets added or whether it gets reduced tomorrow. So that might give me a clue. Okay, so that's it for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So any queries, just put it on the comments. I will try to answer. If you like it, just share with your friends. Okay, so take care guys. As always, respect your risk. If there is a trade, else no trades. Okay, in a weekly one video I will talk about psychology regarding the price moves. Okay, so you stay tuned. That's it for now. Good night. Take care. Bye.